To draw aeroplane, we'll divide the paper into four planes using two lines. Next, we'll begin the sketch with this curve. Then similarly draw a replica of it below. Then we'll add wings on the other hand. Also, next, after we have put wings, we'll put more details. So with this done, we'll add the propellers. Draw a circle and another circle surrounding it. After adding the propellers, we'll add the windows. So the pilot's window must be prominent, and on the line draw few boxes. And with this done, we'll add few clouds. Next, we'll erase the extra lines. Now we'll begin the coloring. I will use blue color for the window. Then I shade the surrounding. My aeroplane will be white color. You can add color if you wish, of whichever your choice. And that's how you draw an aeroplane.